In this short video, we will be demonstrating our motorized fruit grinder. Please note that the motor is not included, but the grinders are pre-drilled, but may need modification depending on the motor you choose. To demonstrate this fruit grinder, we will be grinding some crab apples. When making cider, make sure you go through your apples and discard any that are rotten or badly bruised. Also remove any debris and leaves as necessary. First, you will need to place the grinder on a container which will collect the ground fruit as well as support the grinder. Second, you will need to connect the power source. Once you have the grinder turned on, you will need to then feed the apples into the hopper a few at a time. Be careful you don't overload the hopper, as this can cause the fruit to get stuck.